we are going to do some seed starting today. So I have been, this is something I actually didn't do last year. We were too busy just moving into our house and getting settled to even think about it. In fact, we didn't really do that great with our garden in general last year, and this year is just full of promise. I'm so excited to do the garden. I kind of have a renewed spirit for it. What do you think? And my friend, Stephanie, she's been on my podcast. I think I mentioned her on here as well. She lives down the street from me, but she just started some seeds, and she did a method called soil blocking. So I am going to use her method. She actually has a blog post all about it, so I'll just link that down below so that you can see her method for it, because I'm literally just copying straight from her blog because I know that she researched this a ton and I just wanted to get this done. And so that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna do some soil blocking, and I'll take you along with us so you can see the method. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our soil wet and allow it to sit for a minute so that we can make the blocks. Mike, are you still in your jamsies?
I'm in the midst of getting it.
Now, are you using all that stuff?
Yeah. Well.
Oh, you mix it. Well, just the seed stuff, I guess you're using.
Yeah.
You won't end up using all of it.
Maybe I should have poured it all in there. Really?
No, you won't want to use that whole bag.
You did.
Well, maybe. Do you know where it's all going already?
They're gonna go in that tray. They're gonna go in those trays, and we're gonna sit in the dining room on the table. There you go.
Intentional.
It's an intentional hole.
The whole.
It's not pretty, but you guys sure do have fun over here. Man. I figure I'll leave a space right here. I won't put a row here. That way you can put water in here, and so it can, you know, water from underneath. And then that way you can start pulling the plants out like this. Because I figured if I put a row in between, I can't do near as many.
Oh.
What? You need cue cards?
Honestly, I need cue cards. I don't know.
I like that.
Yep, they're all going to each individually plant. So can you show us what seeds we have?
What kind of leaves?
Those are yellow pear tomatoes. Those were one of the freebies I ordered from Baker Creek. Yeah, they'll be good.
We have these, what called again?
Yellow pear tomatoes.
Yellow pear tomatoes, and we have squashes.
Zucchini, yep.
Zucchini, and we also have.
What do you think that is?
Parsley, I think.
Cilantro. It looks like parsley. You're right.
Cilantro. And we also have.
What are those?
Cucumbers.
Yep. What do we make with those?
We can make the cucumber spaghetti, and also with those.
Well, no, we're gonna make zucchini spaghetti. Those are for pickles.
Oh, these are for pickles, and we're also gonna make zucchini bread.
What?
Bread.
Oh, zucchini bread. Yeah, that's right.
Bread.
Can you see what else we got? I got a dahlia mix. I care about flowers more than I care about the vegetables, to be honest. Eli said he was going to make me some bouquets.
What are the labels? What are the labels?
I don't think we should plant these. I just know they get big quickly. That's like I don't know, maybe just a few weeks before last frost. playing with stuff I really care about.
Oh, that makes sense.
Flowers.
Oh.
What's this?
This is kohlrabi.
What's kohlrabi?
I've only tried it because my grandma's neighbor used to always grow this. It's really good. And they gave it free with our order. So we'll definitely plant that. The greens are good and the root. Listen, it says cold, hardy, pre-1860 variety, cabbage flavored bulbs that grow above ground, purple skin and sweet white flesh. Do you want to plant some pickling cucumbers?
What are pickling?
I don't know if those will get too big too.
I'll eat some of these.
I'm gonna plant one more tray for now with thyme, rosemary, parsley, and arugula. And then in a couple of weeks, I'm going to plant some more things in the other trays. I'm worried about planting zucchini and cucumber just yet because I know that they overgrow really quickly. So I'm gonna start those before they go out in the garden. I kind of like putting plants in versus seeds because it's easier to weed around them. But I'm not ready here in March to plant cucumber and zucchini because I've done that before. It was a mistake. We push the table against the window because this is a south-facing window with lots of light. It's a really extra large window, and we'll see how these all come up. I will update you in the next couple weeks as they do, and then probably as we plant more because we're gonna plant some of the faster growing things closer to transplanting time. If you want more information on soil blocking, I'm going to leave my friend Stephanie's blog, hopewellheightsblog.com. She has all the information. It was what convinced me to do it this way. So if you wanna know why soil blocking, and then she has a link as well to the tools for it, then you can check that out because that's exactly what I did. And I like the fact that I can just take these out as little soil blocks. I don't have to worry about them growing in any little pots or anything, and put them straight in the ground. And so I think this is gonna be good, especially to keep that tool year after year and be able to do it this way. You don't have to buy any little pots or anything. That's gonna be really good. And the roots won't be restricted by a pot and won't have to take them out of anything. So those are some of the reasons why we're doing it. But I will leave a link to her blog down in the description box and update you soon. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're brand new, hit that subscribe button. I make 2 new videos every week on food from scratch, natural living, and a handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse. I'm editing this video about 5 days later, and I want to update you just because as I'm editing it, I'm already noticing some sprouts, which is crazy. I thought it took a couple weeks, or not a couple weeks, but like 7 or 10 days, not, when did we do this? We did this Monday, so today is day 5. All right, today's Friday. All right, let me show you. All right, well, more updates to come.